This is a Spiderwire lock. It goes around a package in a retail store or somewhere else, and if you try to steal it, the RFI component of it will set the alarm off at the door. If you try to cut the wire, it'll set an audible alarm off. It's got a little battery inside there which blinks away, I suppose, to tell you that the battery's working if nothing else. And so the retailer puts a box inside here and then just winds up to make it tight, to make it very difficult to get off the box. This one came from a retail store where I bought something, I can't remember what it was, at a self-service checkout, and I didn't even notice it was on. It wasn't until I got back to my place that I realised I had the thing. It did set the door alarm off and the guy just waved me through. I was unaware. So anyway, what happens is, if you put a large enough magnet on the top of this, that will undo that little piece there. And when that piece is undone, this slides out and you can retension it again or take it off completely. So I happen to own a ridiculously strong magnet. Oops, I'll put it on there. And you've got to give this a little push first. And it's free. It's away. So set it again. Wrap it around whatever kit you want. Take your silly magnet away. And it is locked. Now then, how does it work? I hear you young and inquisitive minds asking. Good thing I pulled it apart carefully. Two springs, one in there, the other one would sit on the other side there normally, but it happens to have fallen behind in here. They're holding a latch in place with two little metal slugs on there. Those little metal slugs are attached to a slide, and when you put enough magnetism across these here, it pulls against the spring tension and allows it to open. You need to apply a little bit of pressure here first before you can lift it. When that's lifted, then the lock comes out. That's how they work, pretty simple. I'm not worried about the spring loading or anything else.